Welcome to my channel EduSpark. In this video, I will show you how to install SQL using MySQL on Windows step by step. This is perfect for beginners, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official website of MySQL. Then click on download and choose your MySQL community server. Here you may see a login page, but you don't need to sign up or log in. Just click on no thanks, just start my download. After downloading, open the installed file. Select Developer Default Setup Type. This will install MySQL Server and required tools. Click Next and follow the installation process. Here we can see the data directory. I will keep it as default and click Next. Select Developer Computer and keep the default port 3306. Then click Next. Now we set the root password, which is the admin password of MySQL server. Sure to remember it. Keep the default setting and click next in the Windows service. Here also we keep the default settings and click next in the service file permissions. I will select sample databases like Shakila, which helps in practicing SQL queries. Now click on execute to apply all configurations. Wait until all steps show green check marks. Then click finish. If MySQL Workbench is not installed, then download it from the official website, install it and open MySQL Workbench. Click on local instance MySQL, enter the root password you created. Now you are successfully connected to MySQL server. That's it. MySQL is successfully installed and ready to use. In the next video, we will create our first database and table. If you want MySQL server website link, I will provide it. Comment link. I will share you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.